The trail is well maintained, but it's a good idea to wear proper footwear and carry water as the climb can be physically demanding. Gunung Lambak is a popular hill and hiking destination located in Kluang, Johor, Malaysia. It stands at 510 meters, 1,673 feet, above sea level, making it a relatively moderate hike, suitable for both beginners and seasoned hikers. The mountain is well known for its scenic views, dense jungle, and the rewarding panoramic sight of the town of Kluang and the surrounding areas once you reach the summit. Gunung Lambak is home to a rich variety of flora and fauna. Hikers may encounter towering rainforest trees, exotic ferns, and colorful wildflowers. Wildlife is also abundant, with sightings of monkeys, squirrels, birds, butterflies, and insects along the trail.
The trail to the summit of Gunung Lambak is about 2 to 3 kilometers long, depending on the route you take. The hike can be a bit steep in some parts, but it's not too difficult, making it accessible to many.
The hike up Gunung Lambak is considered moderate to challenging, with steep inclines and rough terrain in some sections. The main trail is well marked and consists of 2 primary paths. Lower trail. This portion of the hike is relatively easy and passes through lush rainforests, small streams, and wooden bridges. It is suitable for beginners or casual walkers. Upper trail. This section becomes more challenging with steeper inclines, rocky paths, and rope-assisted climbs. It requires a higher level of fitness and endurance. The hike to the summit typically takes 2 to 3 hours, depending on one's pace and fitness level. The descent is usually faster and takes about 1.5 hours. Once you reach the top, you are rewarded with stunning views of the Kluang town and its surrounding areas. On clear days, you can even see as far as the nearby palm oil plantations and other natural landscapes. It's a fantastic spot for photography. So many visitors enjoy taking pictures of the view and the lush green surroundings. Gunung Lambak is located around 10 to 15 minutes by car from the center of Kluang town, making it easy for both locals and tourists to visit. The mountain is accessible year-round, although it's advisable to avoid hiking during the rainy season, usually from November to February, when the trails may become slippery. Gunung Lambak is a must-visit destination for those looking to experience the beauty of Malaysia's tropical rainforest and enjoy a rewarding hike. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced hiker, this mountain offers an exciting outdoor adventure with scenic landscapes and a touch of wilderness.